day when the DJ spun all night. Party's fun, the MCs come to rock and bless the mic.
Oh yeah.
No need to worry, no need to hurry. Them rules are just for you. Come on, people popping and locking, breaking and rocking. Everybody knows there ain't no stopping. Come on, y'all, get on the floor. We're gonna take it back, make it big for more. Ain't no party like an old school party, 'cause an old school party don't stop. So DJ, drop my favorite joint and let me rock the mic. Now throw your hands high in the air. Everybody say, oh yeah. The Master G Show. Once upon a time, not long ago, when there was no rap stars on TV shows, no movie deals, commercials, Russell Simmons was just starting to grow. In them days when you took up the art, you did a second for the money and first for the heart. Back then you had to be a true believer, and we all hung at the disco fever. DJ Flash in Hollywood made it happen in streets of Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, and Long Island Sound. And people came for miles around to see us down. The song's dedicated to the fact that you got to recognize the pioneers of rap. So come on.
I like that.
Come on, hands off, let me see you get down.
I know you want me, you know I want ya. I know you want me, you know I want ya. I know you want me, you know I want ya. I know you want me, you know I want ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rumba. Ella quiere su rumba, rumba. Ella quiere su rumba, si es verdad que tú eres guapa, yo te voy a poner gozar. Tú tienes la boca grande, dale, ponte a jugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stick to the track on my way to the top. A pit got it locked from goose to the locks. R.I.P. a big in Parker that he's not, but damn he's hot. Label flop, but Pit won't stop. Got her in the cockpit playing with bits. Now watch me make a movie like Albert Hitchcock. Enjoy me. You know I want ya. I know you want me. You know I want ya. I know you want me. You know I want ya. I know you want me. You know I want ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rumba. Ella quiere su rumba. Rumba. Ella quiere monkey, look like King Kong. Welcome to the crib, real fast, that's what it is with the women down here. All the shit. They don't play games, they off the chain, and they love to do everything and anything, and they love to get it in, get it on all night long. I know you want me.